Right, here I am in the middle of Murchison Park, and as far as I can figure it out, I'm about 3 hours away from the nearest garage or mechanic. I'm having a problem with the car overheating, and I've got a leaking joint here. Now it looks like its pipe's been replaced with two separate pipes and a connecting piece of metal which has gone rusty. So I think it's leaking from this clamp, but this top section doesn't have a clamp on it at all. So I've managed to move this clamp around a bit, so it's like squeezing on a fresh bit of rubber, and it seems to have stopped about 90% of it. But I'm going to try a little MacGyver rope pipe clamp, and all I've got is a bit of paracord and a stick and my Leathermans. So let's have a go. So basically I just made a big loop in the paracord and then put a short length stick through it. I've turned it around and around till it's tight and pushed it up to the clip, and then I've just tucked it behind that nib now. So now I need to make something to stop it popping off. Right, to finish it off, I've just tied a loop around the stick there and back underneath the pipe and tied it on the top to stop the wood from jumping over there. Okay, time to start it. Looks like it's not dripping anymore. Still started like a ruptured bit, but okay, let's see how it works. Beautiful place. Just no mechanic.